Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Surface feature, and today I'll show you how to use Revolved Surface. And now let's start it. First, let's make a sketch. Go to From Plan, Active Center Line, click from this point to this point, Active Line, click from this point to this point, back to the point, and make like this arc. Click from this point and click from this point to this point and this point. See? Now click this point and this point, make horizontal. Now click Smart Dimension. Make this line length is 46 mm. Click this line and this point. Make distance 110 mm. Make this circle radius is 48 mm. Make this line length is 23 mm. And make this line length is 11 mm. Click this line and this line. Make angle radius is 57 mm. 57 degree, and click OK. See? Now you have a sketch. Now go to Surface, Active Revolved Surface. See? Now you have a parameter. You can choose direction blind, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, or mid-plane. In this case, I use blind. And you can change the full degree like this. I make 90 degree like this. See? Or maybe 180 degree. See? But in this case, I will use 360 degree. See? And click OK. See? Now you can use Revolved Surface. Now you know how to use Revolved Surface. Thanks for watching. See ya.